Hey guys, what's good YouTube? Be back to another video.
We back with another video. Let's go.
Hey guys, how are you enjoying this video?
Alright, YouTube, check it out. Say what's up, YouTube.
What's up YouTube?
Alright, check it out. So we got a package in from Amazon.
We got a package for Amazon.
So as you can see, we got a package from Amazon. We have, what is it called? A barbershop playset. Right?
Yeah.
Look at the camera.
Hey.
Alright, so you're gonna unbox this, right?
Uh-huh.
You're gonna unbox it for YouTube, right?
Uh-huh.
And you're gonna tell them what comes in the barbershop playset? Yeah? Alright.
I want
Alright.
my haircut.
So he wants to get a haircut now. So we got this. He opened it, but it's all right. Check it out. All right, buddy. Let's take this stuff out.
Here it is.
Oh, pull it. You got it?
Got it.
Oh wait, look, there's more stuff.
Yeah, what's that?
Okay. All right. So that's everything in the box.
Okay,
Okay. Hold on. Wait. Let's start with this. What is this?
A towel.
Tell YouTube. What is that?
A towel.
And what is the towel for?
To wipe yourself.
To wipe yourself. Okay. Or maybe to wipe the person you're cutting their hair. Yeah.
Yes, and you can wipe yourself in the shower.
And what's this?
A barbecue.
A what?
A barber.
A barber?
Yes.
Okay, well, hold on. Let's look at it. Look at it. Okay, what's right here? What's that?
I don't know.
It's a barber pole.
A barber pole?
All right. He's excited to open this up, so I'm go ahead. All right, let's open this up. Let's see what's in there. What is that?
It's a hair.
What is that? What is that?
It's a haircut.
No, hair clipper. It's a hair clipper.
It's a hair clipper.
A hair clipper? What brand is it?
It's blue.
Is it blue?
And white blue.
And light blue? And what else?
And
you have to pull the string for it to work?
yes.
What does this button do? Look, what does these buttons do?
To cut your hair.
To cut your hair? Can you cut my hair? Cut my hair, go. Oh man, thank you. You got me looking fresh. Okay, look, show the camera the blue clipper. Look, let's show the camera. Show it. Show the camera. All right, let's see what else comes in the barbershop playset, okay?
Yes, receive it.
Okay, what else? Get something else out the bag.
Okay, I will get my scissors.
Wait, just get the next thing out. Get this first. What is that?
Spray it.
It's shaving cream.
Yes, shaving cream.
Yeah, you put that on someone's beard and you shave it. Yeah?
Yes, and you spray it too.
Yep, you spray it too. What else is in there? Get something else out. Oh, look. Get this. What is this?
I don't know.
It's a beard. Look at the camera. It's a beard, right? I might need this because y'all can see I ain't got no beard. But let's see what else comes in this barbershop playset. What else is in here, buddy? Grab something else. Just grab something else. He's excited to find something. I don't know what's in there. What is that?
A mirror.
What is the mirror for?
To see your hair.
To look at your hair?
Huh?
All right.
Let me see what's in
Okay,
here.
I'm gonna put this right here, okay?
Let's see what else in here.
What's that?
A clipper?
A comb.
A cone?
Yeah, to comb your hair. Look, comb your hair. Show YouTube how you comb your hair.
Like that.
All right, good job, buddy.
Let's see what else
All right, what else is in there? What's that?
Scissors.
Scissors. You know how to hold? You gotta hold scissors like this. Look, like this.
Oh.
Okay. Can you do that? Here, let me see. Let me see. Let me help you. Okay, go. Okay, like that. Show the camera. Look at the camera. Show the camera how you use the scissors. All right. Let's see what else comes in here, buddy.
Okay, let's see what else.
Wait, what color are the scissors?
Blue.
We got blue scissors too.
Yes.
Awesome. What else?
Let's
Let's see. What is that? Oh, that's a razor.
Yes. To dry your hair.
Yeah, that's what I use on my hair so that it can get it nice and bald.
Yeah, nice and bad.
Yep.
And let's see what else that here is
You gotta
this.
talk loud, okay? What is that?
Is a washer.
A brush?
Yes. like this.
Yeah, good job.
Let's
All
see
right.
what else.
What
they
else
have.
is in here? That's to wipe off like when they have hair on your face, you go like that to wipe it off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, good job. Here, wipe the hair off of Daddy's face. Awesome. Thank you, buddy.
Okay, let's see what else they have.
What
there.
else does it have in here?
Let's see. What's
What is
inside?
that?
What's inside?
Let's see what's inside.
It's shaving cream.
It's like gel for your hair. It's not gonna come out, buddy. It's not gonna come out. It's hair gel. You just pretend. You put it on your finger and then put it in your hair.
Okay.
And pretend. Like put it in your hair. Good job. Awesome.
And let's see what else they have here.
Yeah, let's see what else comes in here.
Another shaving cream.
What is this? Oh, this is. What is this?
And what's inside?
Let's open it.
Yes, and see what's in there.
It's like some powder or something.
Powder.
Yeah.
This is powder.
All right. So what comes in your barber kit? Let's see. Hold on.
Let's see.
Okay. What's the favorite thing you like of your barber kit?
This.
The clipper? Okay. Show the clipper to YouTube. Say YouTube. Say YouTube.
YouTube.
Look at my new clipper.
Look at my new clipper.
Do you like the new clipper?
Yes.
Does it work good?
Yes.
What's the runtime on it? Like 2 seconds?
Yes, like 2 seconds.
2 second runtime. Okay.
It's 0 times.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome.
1 time.
What about the scissors? You want to show the scissors again? What do you use scissors for?
To cut somebody's hair.
Someone with long hair, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome. All right.
This is this video, YouTube. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Also, you mean my channel. Make sure you subscribe and watch your boy.
And that's basically it, YouTube.
And the best video, YouTube. Until next time, I don't know.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah. All right, YouTube. So y'all heard Lil Man. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.
Bye.